Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create and manage tasks. First of all, navigate to the Projects section. This will show you a list of all your projects. Let's open a project. Here we can see a list of all the tasks in different groups. You can add a new task by clicking on the plus button next to the group name, or you can also click on Add Task button. Type your task name and hit Save. As you can see, we have just added a new task. You can rename the task by clicking on the pencil icon. You can change the status by clicking on the status name. Pick a new status from the list. You can also change the priority. Click on the priority and pick the new priority. You can add a new date. Simply click on the calendar, pick a date from the calendar, and hit Apply. As you can see, we have just added due date. You can also assign it to team members. Simply pick a team member from the list. For additional options, you can click on 3 dots. Once your task is finished, you can simply click on Mark as done. We also have the option to make changes to multiple tasks at once. Simply click on the checkbox and select multiple tasks. And at the bottom, we have this menu where we can see 2 tasks are selected. Now we can make changes to both the tasks. We can change the status. Simply click on the status. Pick a new status from the list. And as we can see, both the tasks are now moved to To-Do group. Similarly, you can set priority. You can set due dates. You can also add assignees. You can set types. You can delete all the selected tasks, or you can dismiss the selection from here. For a detailed preview of the task, simply click on the task name. This will show you this pop-up window where you can modify the details like type, status, priority. You can also modify the start and due dates. Here, you can assign it to team members. You can add estimated and actual SPU. You can also add estimated time and actual time. You can add tags. Simply click on Add Tags and select relevant tags from the list. We also have the option to add a description of the task. You can also add custom fields. Simply click on the drop-down, and here we have a custom field. You can also create dependencies. Simply click on the drop-down and click on Add Dependency. You can also add links. Simply click on Add Link and paste the URL. You can add attachments. Drag and drop files here to upload the files. You can also add subtasks within the task. You can add a subtask manually, or you can simply use Kroolo AI to suggest subtasks. As you can see, Kroolo AI has suggested a list of subtasks. You can select the ones that are relevant. You can again use Kroolo AI to modify the subtask. Once done, click on Create Subtasks. As you can see, we have added 5 new subtasks. You can also add a checklist. Simply click on Checklist tab. Click on Add Checklist to add a checklist. In the comment section, you can collaborate with the team members. In the Doc section, you can attach docs. You can add existing documents, or you can create a new one. In the History, you will be able to see all the history. Let's close this pop-up. You have the option to group by tasks by different parameters. You can also use filters. You can search a specific task using the search functionality. We also have the board view next to the list view. It will show you all the tasks into different groups in different cards like this. Board view allows you to move tasks into different groups by simply dragging and dropping them. Here, you can change the status, priority. You can also add tags. You can add assignees. You can change the due date. This will show you the number of subtasks within that task. You can simply click on this drop-down to expand the list of subtasks. As you can see, now the subtask list is visible. You can click on the drop-down again to hide the subtasks. That's how you can create and manage tasks in Kroolo. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.